Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to connect Squarespace to N8N. First, go to the N8N website and log in. Then, click on the Add First Step button. Now, search for HTTP and click on HTTP request from the list. Here, select the HTTP method you want to use such as GET, POST, DELETE, or HEAD depending on your goal with Squarespace. Next, enter the Squarespace API URL. This could be an endpoint like https://api.squarespace.com/1.0/commerce/orders. Then, under Authentication, select Generate Credential tab to create a secure connection. Now, choose a credential type like Action Network API, Active Campaign API, or your own configured type for Squarespace. Then, click on Select Credential and choose Create New Credential. Here, enter your Squarespace API key in the required field. After that, click on Save to store the credential. Now, turn the toggle on or off for send inquiry parameters, send headers, and send body depending on what your API call requires. Once all fields are properly filled in, go back and connect the connection by clicking the Execute Node button to test your Squarespace integration in N8N. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.